He's tired. You wore him out.
It's a bone.
Joseph, where are you? It's okay. I'll get it. Come over here. I'll get it.
I'll get it. I'll get it. It's okay. You won't get it. Come on, look. Hey boy, go eat that house. Let it fly over you right here. Mom, help.
Okay.
Thank you. No. I need to put it on jet.
Jet?
Well, it's gonna fall everywhere.
He's not going to like that.
It's okay.
You need to do it softly.
Fine.
Is it even on?
Yeah. Move. Hey. Mom, bring me the tennis ball that's in the front yard.
Joseph, go get the tennis ball.
Stop it.
You don't like it? Oh, he's just trying to run with you to play.
Don't do that.
If you run, he thinks you want him to run. And he'll get the tennis ball.
I'm gonna go fill up his water.
Okay, it's coming out. It's okay. Just pick it up.
How is it coming out now?
Because you had it turned on. Pick it up. Put it in the bowl.
Hang on.
That might not be the best setting.
See?
Bring it to me and I'll change the setting.
It's hot.
Well, it's because it's hot outside. Bring it to me.
Here. No, boy. Don't drink it. Put it